Preparing for the RBT Competency Assessment is the final step before certification, and for many candidates, it can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not fully sure what to expect or how each task will be evaluated. This is the final milestone before you officially earn your certification. It's completely normal to feel a bit overwhelmed when you aren't sure what to expect. Our goal at My RBT Prep is to clear that path for you. Let's break down exactly what the assessment involves so you can approach your evaluation with total confidence. Most candidates approach their assessment feeling overwhelmed and uncertain. You're likely asking yourself, what does the BCBA really expect? How do I perform these tasks in real time? And what happens if I miss a step? These are common anxieties, but they don't have to hold you back. Today, we're going to clear through the confusion and replace those what-ifs with the concrete skills and confidence you need to succeed. Stop second-guessing your preparation. This guide takes the confusion you see on the left and turns it into the clear, direct path on the right. Built using real assessor expectations, it's a step-by-step roadmap designed to boost your confidence and ensure your success. We've eliminated the guesswork so you can focus on what matters, reaching your goal. Next, we have the RBT Competency Assessment Study Guide Bundle. This is a complete assessor-aligned system designed to eliminate the guesswork. This guide helps you prepare for demonstrating all 20 tasks. By aligning your prep with exactly what assessors are looking for, this bundle ensures you are fully equipped to pass your assessment the first time.
Our goal is to help you prepare smarter so you can perform confidently. We'll show you exactly what to demonstrate for each task and how to practice those skills the right way. You'll learn precisely what assessors look for when scoring competent, helping you avoid the common mistakes that lead to retakes. Ultimately, we ensure you walk into your assessment feeling calm, organized, and ready to succeed.
We believe in clarity over complexity. To ensure your success, every task is broken down into actionable components: demonstration checklists to meet assessor expectations, practice scenarios to master skills, and quick checks for instant feedback. We also provide visual examples, distilled key takeaways, and a guide to common mistakes to avoid. It's a comprehensive, step-by-step approach designed to ensure you pass your assessment with confidence. The RBT Competency Assessment Pass Bundle is more than just a study guide. It's a complete system designed for your success. We support you through 3 critical stages: preparing for the exam, performing your best during the assessment, and navigating the post-assessment process. This ensures you have the tools you need before, during, and after your assessment journey. Inside your Pass Bundle, you'll find 2 essential tools for success. First is the Ultimate RBT Competency Study Guide, a jargon-free visual walkthrough covering all 20 required tasks. Next is the Performance Mastery Guide, designed to help you ace live observations by mastering professionalism and staying calm under pressure. Together, they ensure you're prepared to demonstrate your skills with total confidence. To ensure your success, we provide 3 essential tools to eliminate uncertainty. First, our assessor checklist sheets reveal exactly what's needed to be marked competent. Next, our Mistakes and Traps Guide helps you avoid common pitfalls. Finally, the 10-minute prep sheet ensures you are ready on exam day. As one student noted, it's like reading the evaluator's notes before you even begin. Transitioning from anxiety to confidence is all about having a clear roadmap. As you can see from these testimonials, our guide eliminates the guesswork. Students report feeling calm and prepared because we address what-if fears and highlight common mistakes before they happen. Let's follow their lead and trade that pre-test stress for total confidence. As you head into your assessment, remember, this is about more than just a passing score. Walk in calm, perform confidently, and be prepared for success. Today, you are demonstrating the competence and professionalism you've worked so hard to build. Trust your training, stay clear, and show them the professional you've become. You're ready for this.